Hi, welcome to the real world.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the real world?
Well, as real as it gets in Southern California.
This is Connie Howard, our dialectician, and Randy Tillai, our phonics specialist.
And this is Jean Zerna, voice and speech specialist, and the director of A-Team, Accent Modification Specialist Team in Los Angeles, California.
And this is as real as it gets. Real American English, the way Americans really speak it.
Only better.
Yes, only better. The way better spoken Americans speak, clearly articulated, fully expressed, and without an accent. You're going to learn to feel your speech, to experience sound as vibration, and to develop a sense memory of these American sounds.
Only better still.
Only better still. At the same time that you're learning to feel these American sounds perfectly, you'll be discovering vocal energy. The speech principles that you learn here will become your foundation for feeling sounds. They're the same techniques used by professional speakers, news broadcasters, and actors. Like them, you will be able to develop your vocal instrument. Now, here's where we come to a most unique feature of this course. The Diagnostic Evaluation Kit. In it, you'll find a blank audio cassette tape. On that tape, you record your speech sample according to the directions provided there. Mail it back to us in the pre-addressed envelope. A qualified dialectician will analyze your speech and return it to you. Your personal diagnostic evaluation. It'll look something like this, and it'll chart the areas of this course you need to give special focus to. Now, does this look sufficiently incomprehensible?
Boy.
Well, don't worry, because it's accompanied by my own personal directions to you on another audio cassette. I'll explain it all to you. I'll do this personally, or if I'm unavailable, another highly skilled specialist that I've selected will do it for me. Of course, you'll do fine, even without a diagnosis, but this cassette exchange between us allows me to create a personal training program for you. It offers a more precisely individual approach.
Now, why is it that speech coaches are always being so precise?
I don't know. I guess we just always want to get everything perfect. Which brings us to an even further refinement. The only way to make still more effective use of this course would be to arrange private coaching at our studios in Los Angeles, or private seminars conducted at your own location. Well, at the very beginning of tape 2, you'll find the information on how to contact us about that. All right, I'm almost finished with the explanations. This course is mostly practice after all. But before we begin, let me give you the same frank advice I give all my clients. 2 things. First, give yourself completely to the exercises. Remember, we're going to train you with the same techniques used by professional actors. As long as you master the basic techniques of each section, you'll be able to produce results as American sounding as in the practice scenes. Now, some of the later scenes are challenging, but you need that. And if you ever feel that things are moving too fast, just grab what you can. You don't have to grasp all the content, all the practice, all at once, or in any order. And you will not perfect all your technique at once either. Which brings me to my second thing. You must practice and repeat and repeat and repeat. When you review the course, you can jump around anywhere. Speech is organic, so you can approach it in many ways. Now, you can work at your own pace, but keep working.